Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Baseball 9 hack for iOS and Android. So there is Baseball 9 mod where you can get unlimited gems, coins, recruit tickets, stamina, energy, basically everything unlimited in Baseball 9, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like and how you can get it on your iOS or Android device. So watch this video till the end and let's get started. So guys, let me show you this Baseball 9 hack first. As you can see, I have Baseball 9 unlimited coins, unlimited gems, stamina, recruit tickets, basically everything unlimited in Baseball 9, and this is possible with Baseball 9 hack, Baseball 9 mod APK. So if we go to the shop, first I'm gonna show you how this looks like. At the end of this video I'm gonna show you how you can get it, so watch this video till the end. So if I go to the shop, I can spend these gems to buy recruit tickets, to buy badges, to buy basically anything you like. So diamond badge, prime badge, we can buy it as well. We can spend gems, we can spend coins. For example, this one costs a lot of coins. We can spend it to buy it. Condition drink, maximum energy, even though we have it already. So you can use anything you like. You can upgrade your players. For example, let's upgrade this one. We can spend recruit tickets, then I'm gonna upgrade it from the bronze all the way to the prime. So you can do all of that by installing this Baseball 9 modded application, Baseball 9 hack, on your iOS or Android device. Android version is a little bit different. It doesn't have all these features like iOS version, but it can help a little bit as well. You will be able to read differences later if you want to. So as you can see, I upgraded my player all the way to the prime, and if you want to try this, guys, open your web browser, go and you'll be automatically redirected to this page. Here you can use the search bar to type Baseball 9, and you can scroll down until you find it by yourself. It's right here. Press on it. It says Baseball 9 mod installation guide. Here you have differences between iOS and Android version. You can read about them, so you can decide if you want to proceed with Android version or not. So just press on this button, get my guide, follow all instructions from the guide, and you will be able to install Baseball 9 hack on your iOS or Android device. So basically that's it, guys. Check out this. If you want to try, let me know in the comments how it went. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.